This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change your time zone region in Ubuntu. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To manually set your time zone region in Ubuntu, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower left-hand corner of my screen down to the Show Apps button. I'm going to click on Show Apps. Then in these icons here, I'm going to search for Settings. If you don't see Settings within your icons, you can go up to the top up here to this little search bar and you can search for Settings. Mine happens to be right here. I'm going to click on Settings. Now in this little dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom to where you see it says System. Click on System. Then on the center pane, right up here, Date and Time, I'm going to click on Date and Time. And then right down here, Automatic Time Zone, you could toggle this on as long as you have your location services enabled. You could toggle this on and it will automatically detect your time zone. But to manually set it right here, time zone, as you can see, mine is set to Chicago, United States. But if you click this drop down here, you can select a different time zone. Say that I wanted to make mine Anchorage, United States. I'll click on Anchorage, United States. And now my time zone is Anchorage, United States. That is how to manually set your time zone region in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.